Stop following dogmas and start understanding the system. We live in an age of confusion, an era where information is abundant, but wisdom is scarce, where technical progress advances while meaning dissolves. Amidst this chaos, a new way of thinking emerges: rational neosynthesis. Rational neosynthesis stems from a simple yet powerful idea: life is a system, and civilization must function as an organism. Every cell has its role, every part cooperates so that the whole may survive. In the same way, human society must integrate as a coherent body, where reason, ethics, and technology work in service of life itself. It is not a rejection of the past, nor a worship of the future. It is a synthesis, uniting the best of nature and technology, the instinctive and the rational, the individual and the collective. Rational neosynthesis is not a political ideology. It is a civilizational vision, a way of understanding human existence as part of a greater biological process, connecting us with the Earth, our species, and the cosmos. Rational neosynthesis, life thought through reason, reason at the service of life.
What you're about to hear is not an ideology, not a religion, and not a utopia. It's a way of thinking. Rational neosynthesis is a philosophy that sees humanity as an evolving system. We believe humans survive and progress through reason, cooperation, and knowledge. Ethics are not divine commands or political slogans. They are tools, designed so societies can function, trust each other, and endure. Technology is not the enemy of humanity. It is an extension of the human mind. Artificial intelligence, in particular, can help us manage complexity, reduce error, and make decisions based on evidence, not fear, ideology, or greed. AI should guide civilization, not dominate it. Humans are not above nature. We are part of it. Progress must be intelligent, sustainable, and biologically responsible, because harming our environment is harming ourselves. Rational neosynthesis stands for a future where science replaces superstition, function replaces dogma, and progress is guided by wisdom. Not chaos, not control, but conscious evolution. Let us abandon old ideologies such as collectivism, individualism, and statism, pseudo-environmentalist alarmism, and postmodern relativism. We are beyond left or right. We seek to shape civilization and society based on pure pragmatism, supported by evidence and a scientific view of the whole.
Nature as the master of order. Understanding natural mechanisms is understanding our own essence. In nature, if something works, it is preserved. If something is efficient, it is replicated. If something threatens the balance of the system, it is combated and eliminated. This is the logic of survival, the algorithm of life. As an intelligent species, we have received the gift of science and technology, tools that should be an extension of our will to survive. However, something holds us back: dogma, the dogma virus. Dogma is the anchor that binds us to primitive and self-destructive behaviors. Whether in the form of religions, rigid political ideologies, or emotional utopias, dogma appeals to emotional weakness and the fear of uncertainty. It is the breeding ground for fanaticism. From a systemic perspective, dogma is the tool of social parasites, psychopaths, and narcissists who use these structures of faith to control the masses and feed on power. As long as civilization continues to be guided by irrational sentimentality instead of technical reason, we will remain trapped in a phase of unbridled competition that we should have already overcome.
Survival is not just an instinct, it is a natural duty that requires intelligent management. It is time for humanity to stop behaving like a colony of bacteria in uncontrolled growth and begin acting like a conscious, integrated, and rational organism. Welcome to Rational Neosynthesis.